taking place to discuss security measures and prevent such incidents in the future. What we're given to understand is that DGNI is meeting top officials in the valley, is convening these high-level meetings where the focus is on ensuring that such incidents are not repeated in future. We have Priyank joining us on the broadcast with more details. Priyank, we are being told that the focus at the moment is on coordinated efforts by multiple agencies to thwart any such attempt in future.
Yes, Swati, this is what we were trying to tell you to our viewers, that there are multi-coordinated efforts which are being done by multiple agencies to bring down these terrorists. Let's break these points that what is happening on the ground. It's been 10 days since this Grafti attack happened right here at the Bison Valley, Bison Meadow, where the NIA officials have been camping and they have been trying to do the 3D route map, and other sophisticated measures are also being taken by them to track the location which was taken by the terrorists to flee away, and possible hideouts are also expected to be brought into picture by the National Investigation Agency. On the other side, the Indian Army, along with the SOG of the JKP, is trying to hunt down those terrorists, because it's a very important thing for the officials to bring back the location of the terrorists so that they can be gunned down. On the other side, since almost 10 days have gone, the officials are also trying to break the supply chain of all these individuals who were providing arms and ammunition and also food to these terrorists. On one side, the OGW crackdown has happened.
And now, along with the terror sympathizers, the focus also is on choking the supply to these terrorists. Thank you very much, Tetri and Priyank, for getting us the details.